Hi, my name is Aimee Willmott and I'm a Team GB international swimmer. I recently won gold at the Commonwealth Games in the women's 400 individual metres medley. I'm here today with Simply Swim to show you the best way to use your pool buoy. The first step when using your pool buoy is to place it between your legs correctly. The larger end of the pool buoy needs to stay at the front of your legs, placing the smaller end behind. You want to squeeze and activate your thighs and your glute muscles to keep the pool buoy in place. If you place the pool buoy between your knees, it will fall out. This is an incorrect position. The pool buoy is good for various reasons, as it helps isolate our upper body from our lower body. This means we can focus more on our arms and technique. The pool buoy also aids in upper body strength, as without our leg kick, our arms have to work harder. Body alignment is also really useful to practice with and work on when you have the pool buoy, as the buoyancy from the aid helps to keep your legs up. I would recommend using the pool buoy more when you are swimming backstroke and freestyle, as these strokes are easy to isolate the arms from the legs. As butterfly and breaststroke are mainly leg-dominated strokes, using a pool buoy is very difficult. If you happen to forget your kickboard to train in, you can also use a pool buoy as a kicking aid. Simply hold both of your arms over the top, straighten out in front of you and kick as so. I hope you found this how to use your pool buoy video useful. Leave us a comment to let us know. You can head over to simplyswim.com to pick yourself a training aid. Keep working on your pulling technique and maybe next time try and add some pull into your session. Why not start with 850s and see how you go on?